Hello and welcome. This is Dhruvi and you're watching It's Tomorrow News. It is the second day and UK is still in the wrath of the disruptive weather which has brought a large chaos. The snowstorm, also known as the Beast from the East, has left UK blanketed with snow. UK is likely to be hit by Storm Emma, which could be the worst storm in 50 years. Government forecasters have today issued the first red snow warning for 5 years. More than 2,624 schools in England and 1,600 in Scotland were closed, while schools in some areas of Wales will not reopen until Monday. The worst hit areas were central Scotland, where a red alert for snow is in place, as well as Kent, East Anglia and the northeast of England. The Met Office has predicted up to 10 centimeters of snow for parts of Scotland and northern England by Thursday evening, although it could be as much as 40 centimeters over hills, while 15 centimeters is forecasted for the parts of eastern England and up to 20 centimeters in the south, Wales and the West Midlands. British Airways cancelled hundreds of short-haul flights from Heathrow, and London City Airport also cancelled many services. Glasgow Airport closed while almost all flights from the Edinburgh were stopped. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Dhruvi Parikh. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.